Ever feel like you're running your business with one hand tied behind your back? That's where I come in. Name's Patrice, contact management superhero. I show up when the lines get messy. Missed calls? Not on my watch. Try me once, just once. They call me The Fix.
Patrice is here to save the day. But today, what you don't know could be killing your business. If you accept credit cards, this might be the most important warning you'll hear all year. One customer, one transaction. That's all it takes to trigger a chargeback. And if you're not prepared, it can cost you your money, your merchant account, and your business. I'm Angela Chatterfield, and I've helped hundreds of businesses recover from operational disasters. But some of the most devastating losses I've seen weren't because of marketing or sales. They were because of chargebacks. And most businesses, they don't even know what that really means until it's too late. A chargeback happens when a customer disputes a charge with their bank or credit card company. It could be because they didn't recognize the charge, they claim that they didn't get the product or service, it wasn't delivered, or sometimes, to be honest with you, they're just trying to get something for free. Let's just be real. The bank pulls the money out of your account. The only warning you get is that they took it out immediately, and it's up to you to prove the charge was legitimate. And here's the kicker. Even if you fight and win, the chargeback still counts against you in your merchant record. So it's really important to understand how they work. Each merchant platform, Stripe, Square, Authorize.net, PayPal, American Express, they all have different thresholds. But across the board, if your chargeback rate gets above 1% to 2% of your monthly volume, you could be shut down in terms of taking credit cards. That means no more credit card processing, which for most of us, that means no business at all. So it's really important to know about this. So here's the trap. You don't have to be doing anything shady to get chargebacks. A customer forgets they made the purchase. They're embarrassed about what they spent. They didn't read your refund policy. They don't need a reason. Customers can charge back. And the worst case scenario is when they plan to dispute it all along. So let's be clear. This is happening more in 2025 than ever before. Why? Because consumers know banks side with them for the most part. The system is absolutely tilted. So, what do you do when you get one? You must fight every single chargeback through your merchant platform. Respond quickly and with documentation. You need good documentation and signed receipts, contracts, authorization for payment, delivery proof, anything and everything that you can get together. Screenshot your refund policy and where it is posted. Because if you don't respond, it's an automatic loss and it raises your risk rating even more. So you can't ignore it. Don't go under the sheets. You have to respond. So you can have a protection plan. And here's 3 things you can do right now. Require a signed payment authorization. Even simple credit card forms will help protect you. Make your refund policy plainly visible, not blurred in fine print or really small at the bottom of your website. Know your merchant terms. How many chargebacks can you have before you're flagged? They won't give you the number, but you can ask them the percentage. What documentation do they require? If you don't know now, you have to find out. And if you request the information, they have to give it to you. So you don't have to be scared, but you do have to be smart. Chargebacks are the silent killer of small business revenue, but they are preventable with systems and awareness. If it sounds too good to be true, someone's buying more than they've ever bought, it should raise a red flag. So, as you know, I have my business assessment that is free that you can take that will help you identify the areas where you're most vulnerable. You also can subscribe to the Daily Mind Boost because you can't protect your business without protecting your mind. Do you want the full system? I hope you do. Grab my book, the instant response revolution on Amazon. You can click the link right in the description and get it today. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Angela Chatterfield, and this is Business Rescue. I'll see you next time.